Welcome back. The BJP government in Maharashtra is facing heat. There are corruption allegations against the state housing minister Prakash Mehta. The Devendra Fadnavis government has come under twin attack, both from the opposition and ally Shiv Sena. The Shiv Sena has hit out at the housing minister. The Sena mouthpiece today raked up the tax raids at Karnataka minister D.K. Sivakumar and accused the Maharashtra government of shielding Mehta. The upper house of Maharashtra Assembly was adjourned twice after opposition ruckus. The NCP and the Congress are both asking Mehta to come clean after the slum rehabilitation scam. Mehta quoted fresh allegation of wrongdoing. This time, he's been accused of intervening in the allotment of government land to favor a real estate firm. Mehta is the second BJP minister after Eknath Khadse to be involved in a controversy over real estate.
महाराष्ट्र राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री इस विषय को खुद देख रहे हैं। सभागृह में उन्होंने क्या कहना है वो कहा है। आगे भी जो करना होगा माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी कहेंगे। इसलिए कांग्रेस वालों के सर्टिफिकेट के आधार पर महाराष्ट्र की सरकार नहीं चलती।
हमारी सिर्फ मांग है कि जांच होते समय जिस मंत्री की आप जांच करा रहे, इस सरकार के कार्यकाल में दूसरी बार मंत्री की जांच हुई है। एक खड़से साहब की हुई थी, उनको तुरंत मंत्री पद से हटाया था। हम वही मांग कर रहे हैं कि वही न्याय प्रकाश मेहता के बारे में रहे, उनको भी मंत्री पद से हटाना आवश्यक है। ये तो निष्पक्ष जांच नहीं हो सकती।
India Today's Kamlesh Sutar now joins me for more. The Congress wants Mehta to step down pending inquiry. Take us through details of allegations in the expansion of the Ghatkopar Transit Housing Society development, where he's apparently said that expand the scope. How would it have benefited one builder? That's the allegation, isn't it?
Gaurav, these allegations for which the resignation is being demanded are pertaining to an SRA project in Tardev area of Mumbai, where Prakash Mehta is alleged of favoring the builder by granting him an extra floor space index, that is FSI. Now the allegation is that because of this additional FSI that is being given, the builder must have got a benefit of around 500 crore rupees. And now that's not the only point. The opposition is also alleging that before taking such decision under 33(7) of the SRA Act, the CM has to be consulted. And on the note, Prakash Mehta has written that the Chief Minister has been appraised about the decision. But whereas on the floor of the House, Prakash Mehta agreed that he hasn't appraised the Chief Minister about the decision that is to be taken, and that is what is being taken up by the opposition now. They say that the CM was kept in dark and such an important decision was taken without consulting the Chief Minister. So now the Chief Minister has already ordered an inquiry, but the opposition is not happy with that. They say mere resignation is not going to help. Pending an inquiry, the minister should resign, and then only a free and fair probe can take place.
Okay, keep tracking that story, Kamlesh. I will come back to you for more.